Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the latest and greatest products to make your life easier. Today, we're talking about the WipeEssentials Hand Sanitizer Wipes, which I can confidently say is the best hand sanitizer pocket product you can get your hands on. First off, let's talk about convenience. These sanitizing wipes come in resealable packs of 30 wipes each, and with 3 packs in a box, you got 90 wipes in total. The best part? They fit perfectly in your purse, bag, or even your pocket, making them ideal for on-the-go sanitization. Whether you're heading to the office, gym, or just out and about, these wipes are designed to be your travel essential. What makes these wipes even more appealing is their alcohol-free formula. Unlike traditional sanitizers, which can dry out your hands, these wipes contain aloe vera and vitamin E, so your hands stay moisturized and feel soft after each use. Plus, there's no soapy residue left behind, just clean, refreshed hands. WipeEssentials uses benzalkonium chloride, a family-safe active ingredient that continues to provide protection long after use. This makes these wipes perfect for everyone in the family, whether it's kids or adults. The wipes are also safe for children, so you don't have to worry about harsh chemicals touching their sensitive skin. The packaging is a win too. It's leak-proof and individually wrapped, ensuring that each wipe stays fresh and effective. And you can rest easy knowing that these wipes are made in a solar-powered facility, are not tested on animals, and are eco-friendly, so you're not only keeping your hands clean but also helping the planet. Whether you're using them after a quick trip to the store or during your lunch break at work, WipeEssentials hand sanitizer wipes are a must-have. Keep them in your bag, car, or even at home, and you'll always have an easy and effective way to keep your hands sanitized. So, if you're looking for a product that's easy to carry, gentle on the skin, and effective at keeping germs away, the WipeEssentials Hand Sanitizer Wipes should be your go-to. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.